There has been some rainy days, and as you can see, there is water at the bottom. I think it's gonna leak from here, so I need to remove that list. Also same problem with this battery sides. It's outside of car, you can see that rust already. So I am trying to remove all the old adhesive, but it's sitting tight. I have to use hot air gun, and still it's pain in the ass to remove that. I don't see major crack in this rear. Maybe there is something, but in the front here you can see clear this crack, and that kind of crack mean the water can go inside the body from these cracks. So I'm gonna put some silicone here and back, and then I put the weather seal back. I have been it's clean now, and it's ready to go back. So let's do this. Those weather seals doesn't want to stick, so I put some pressure with wedges and tape. So this is only temporary until the silicone is dried. Then I remove those. And if the water still keeps coming here, I think I just drill a hole bottom corner of that, so it fixed the problem. I don't know, it doesn't fix the cause, but it fixed the problem, so there is no more water. And same thing here. This car is now this kind of angle, so I don't know if I turn it to the right position level, maybe then water keeps going there. But I if I remember right, I haven't seen water in this side, only this side, but there is rust, so there must be some at some point water there. But if the water is not coming anymore there, then I don't touch that weather seal at all. I have this welding project going, but I'm a little bit sick, so I don't wanna go under the car right now. Maybe later at some point. I already removed the battery, so the welding is not causing problem. Now I just need to remove that battery safety pin, but I need to find it first. So I need to take this insulation off here and check out where is that switch, kill switch, whatever it's called, I don't know, safety switch or fuse. Okay, so there has been raining for days again, and there is no water anymore, so looks like this fix works fine. I can remove these tapes now and weather strips gonna stay there. So looking good. I'm gonna apply this rust eating stuff in the back with this brush. So the rust eater is now applied. There is some left, and here also. But I found out that there is some leak still here. It's leaking from somewhere under the back light, rear light. So I take off this light and look inside where the water comes. So the leak is somewhere under this, but I'm too lazy to remove this bumper. So I think I just put some silicone here inside, not outside, and it blocked that crack, or what it is, I don't know, seal. This car has been in some accident. This rear bumper and those rear lights are replaced at some point. As you can see, there is this gray stuff here, but they don't put it on that corner, so that's why there is some water can come inside the trunk. So I applied the silicone there, and now I think the leak is fixed for good. Again, here was water. I already removed it, and I don't know, maybe it comes from here. Here is water. But anyway, I think I'm just gonna drill hole deepest place here. Just move around. Let's just try again. So now there is hole and water can go out. And outside it's yeah. I put some paint there and it doesn't start to rust. But now the water can flow to the ground. And maybe I do the same just in case for this side. I just don't know which is the lowest part. Maybe I need to level this car and put water there so I can see where is it. There is the part. And here I think it's that spot. At least I hope so. because this is now painted. But now I'm start to paint these places and those new rocker panels which I made. Here is also new paint, and now just need to wait it to paint to the dry. I wanna test this water holes. If I draw water there, it's drain out here nicely. And this side doesn't have a hole, so I need to pour water here and look where is the lowest part, so I drill the hole there. Looks like I need to make that hole bigger, because if there is some trash here, it's gonna block that hole. So I have the Christmas tree drill here. I'm gonna now okay, so now the hole is 6 millimeter. Let's try again. Looks like now it works fine. Little bit water trap can trap here, but I think it's so little bit, so it doesn't matter. I get some new. So let's try again. Let's pour lots of water here. There looks like fire there. How much dirt this trunk will have? It's almost blocked again. I have to put more water here. So looks like lowest point is somewhere here. So I drill the hole there. Let's see. Okay, it's the lowest point, but here is this some goo here. I think I need to make a hole or route here too, so the water can. I don't know, is it this good or bad idea, but I'm trying to use this grinder to make that route of the water. Okay, so almost all water can Now eject from that road. Looks like some water still here, but so tiny amount of, I don't know, does it matter? And maybe the water is not coming from this side at all. That another side has the problem, not this one. But this is just in case, so, because the battery is here and there is, I can see here if I open the trunk easily, so that's why I removed the tool. Now I just dry this and put some paint for those so they don't start to rust there, but I call it good.